Hello guys, there's this really fun game. It's called Monkey's Beginners, I think. Yeah, Monkey's Beginners. It's on the App Store. You should definitely go get it. Maybe you could play with me because this game barely has any players. I'm in a public and there's no people. So let's go check it out. Oh, I forgot this is zero gravity. Can I touch those cubes? Yes, I can. Hurry. Get back out. That was close. I think this is a slide. Just a slide. Whee. Oh, also, I want to join the Discord, and if the owner of this game sees this video, can you please give me mod? That would be an amazing video, and that would be, like, really cool to have, like, a moderator in one of my favorite games ever. Well, it's not one of my favorite games, but it's a really fun one. Look at this. Owner. To owner. Ice. Owner. Mr. Junior. Please. Can you give me mod, please? It would be so fun. I like how you can grab snowballs. I don't remember if there's a shop. I think this is a beach. I don't see a shop, though. I don't think there is a shop. What the heck is down here? Ice S car? Is this caves?
Whose cupcakes are these over here? What the hell?
Come on. Yes. Oh, by the way, there's another game called Apes.
BT Dub.
A-P-P. Dang it. Please subscribe. I have many struggles in life. Come on, make this. Let's go. Let's go, bro. So if you want to play with me in Apes or Monkeys Begin, just like ask me and I got you, bro. Like literally can't even join codes in this game. I'm probably gonna make a video on Apes like after this one probably. But until then, I'm probably gonna make one like tomorrow, maybe later today even. Also, if you see this video, I'm gonna be in code Coco in Apes. So join the Discord of this game. The link will be in the description, and you just look right there. But I think this is the mod vent. I think so. I don't know. I want to get out of the map to see, like... Let me see if we can get out of the map. Please don't ban me. This is for research purposes only. I cannot get out of the map. Okay. Also, by the way, if you're still working on this game, please let me move my fingers. Like I'm clicking all my buttons right now. Like nothing is working. So, yeah, I'm actually gonna post this video this time. Trust me. Bye-bye. That is the end. vapes begin. Probably not going to leave this game's link in the description. I'm going to leave their Discord, though. So, bye-bye.